In this coding exercise, we are going to remove false, zeros, not a number values, undefined or maybe blank spaces from an array. So eventually the array should contain only the values which are more than 0 or proper data in element. Now there is a very simple way to do the same thing. We can use a loop, we can search for various values, we can compare it, but I'm going to use the filter method. So let me first of all just display the values using the filter, the value and the index number. Now inside the filter method, what you can do is you can check whether the element has false, maybe 0, NaN. Instead of checking individual values like this, there is a mechanism in JavaScript which we call as the true-the expression and false-y expression. Whenever there is a false, 0, NaN, undefined or blank, the JavaScript expression returns false-y. Otherwise it returns true-the. So in case if I just write, let's say if v, that means if it is true-the, then I'm going to display the value of v. Remember, I'm not saying v equals to true or false or anything. If I just say if v, by default it means if it is true-the expression, then only this condition will be executed. Now when the value is false or any other like undefined or NaN, certainly it will be falsy and this expression will not be displayed. Let's run this and see what is the output. As you can see, from the array, though there are many elements, it displays 6, 90 and high only, because for rest of the cases the v generates a falsy expression. So now this means if I just write return v, and if I take it in a new array, because filter always returns a new array, let's say new array, and this new array I'm going to display at the end. The very nature of filter is like this, that if the expression is true-the, then it will return. In case of falsy expression, the value won't be returned, it will be ignored. So here if I run, you see that the n array now has only those values which are valid values. I wouldn't say other values are invalid. It's just that the elements which has NaN or undefined or such values, and let's say you want to remove from array, you don't have to write lot of code. It is the true-the and falsy technique of JavaScript which will take care. The only concern is you use a filter like method, or you can put a loop and check the values for true-the or falsy.